What's up, YouTube? My name's Jeff, and I'm going to try to figure out this 2019 Rav4 leaking. There's water leaking right about here. It gets inside the headliner, starts dripping on the floor mat. This is my wife's car, so the dealer wanted $1,000 to try to fix it. I was like, no. So I'm going to sit here and try to fix it myself. They told me some like O-rings. So I bought a pack of O-rings on Amazon. I don't know how much it was. It was cheap. And then I got some of these rubber seals. And if they may be too thick for the applications, but I'm going to take it apart and see. All right. I'm using these plastic things so I don't butcher up her stuff. See the little groove here? I mean, just get this under there and pop it up. Oh, stop.